how to log in your YouTube channel in another phone. So let's get started. Firstly, start by downloading the YouTube app from the Google Play Store or App Store. If you have not, then simply open the YouTube app. Inside the YouTube app, simply tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. Then you can see the switch account option available there. Simply tap on the switch account and navigate to the add account options. So simply scroll down and select the add account now. After you select the add account, you will be prompted to sign in with a Google account. Type in the email address linked to your YouTube channel, then simply tap on the next and enter your password and tap next. Once signed in, you will be taken back to the YouTube home screen, now logged in with your account. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.